Well, a specialty ag insurance provider is expanding its services to offer protection from disruptive markets and weather events, giving ag banks and agribusinesses who serve local farmers a new tool for risk management. Don Preusser of VANE Specialty Ag Insurance Solutions joins us now for more on this. Don, a pleasure. We know farmers protect their revenue and balance sheets from weather events with crop insurance. So, big question, how do agribusinesses that provide the products and services to farmers protect their revenue from weather events? And you have those answers.
Yeah, they've been largely void of any real solutions to protect their revenues and balance sheets in the way that farmers have under the federal crop insurance program. So what we've done is flipped it around and said, let's create a program that would be similar to the federal crop program, but that would cover the agribusinesses that provide the products and services to farmers and who are at the same risk of losing their revenue if a farmer can't plant their crop or they lose the crop somewhere during the production cycle.
Don, you have an incredible career in insurance. Am I correct in saying over 35 years, right, in this business?
Yeah, unfortunately, probably up to 40 years now in legal, insurance, reinsurance, a decade with Deere, developing as the president of the John Deere Insurance Company.
Well, definitely you have seen the need for this. So maybe you can give us some examples of agribusinesses you protect today with your revenue insurance.
Yeah, so first of all, we cover a broad segments, seed and nutrient providers, custom farming, equipment dealers, ground and aerial sprayers, ag finance and lending, cooperatives, retailers. But a couple of examples are custom harvesters who travel from Texas all the way to the Canadian border, harvesting millions of acres every year, are at significant risk of losing their revenue when drought or other types of weather conditions exist. So we cover those custom farmers for their revenue loss exposure. We also have seed and nutrient companies where we provide either a replant type coverage for them for their loss of revenues if the farmers don't buy their seed or nutrient products, and in some cases a replant program. Many input providers are offering replant to their customers, free replants, and that's a balance sheet liability for those seed companies. And so we cover that balance sheet exposure they have.
This is really interesting. So it's not just this is the insurance. I mean, this is really tailored to what these businesses need. A lot of people who may be watching, they're at home today. How can they find out more? How can they reach you?
Sure. They can come to our website at www.vane.ag for more information about our programs and how we customize it to every individual agribusiness.
Really great stuff. Don, thank you so much for joining us. Have an incredible weekend. I appreciate you taking the time. Don Preusser of VANE Specialty, you bet, Ag Insurance Solutions.